Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, we are going to start the MS Excel series, and in this video, we are going to discuss about formulas and the basics of MS Excel, which are going to be very useful for you guys. So let's start. So first of all, what you need to do, for example, I'm going to click here. So I'm going to write for the name, like I'm going to write the smart here. So as you can see, I have written the smart. You have to click on this. If you want to increase the size, you have to click on this, and the size will be automatically increased. And after, if you want to make it bold, you can also do that, italic, underline. These are the basic properties. Now as you can see, the text is going out of the cell. If you want to increase the cell size, you have to make this bigger. You can also do that. You can make the size bigger and it will be done. After that, if you want to increase the height, you can also increase the height from here, and this way you can increase the height. So I'm going to do Control Z, it will be back. Also after that, we are going to write, for example, I'm going to write here, I'm going to reduce the font size, I'm going to make it reduce. And now you have alignments here. For example, if you want to change the alignments, you can also do it right, left, center, justify. You can also do that, it's up to you. And these are the basic. If you want to change the font color, you can also do that. You can change the color as well. If you want to highlight the cell, you can also do that. If you want to highlight the cell, you can also do that. You just have to select the color, that in which color you want to highlight your text. And if you want to give it border, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to do the all borders. Now as you can see, the borders are all side of the cell. So in this way you can, these are the basic text properties, that how you can change your font style, how you can increase the font size, bold, italic, underline, and how you can change the text color and text shadow. And from the next video, we are going to start the formula series. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.